It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. We must consult our means rather than our wishes. Worry is the interest paid by those who borrow trouble. Decision-making like coffee needs a cooling process. If freedom of speech is taken away, then dumb and silent we may be led. Like sheep to the slaughter, a primary object should be the education of our youth in the science of government. Let your heart feel for the afflictions and distress of everyone. Be not glad at the misfortune of another, though he may be your enemy. Strive not with your superiors in argument, but always submit your judgment to others with modesty. Real men despise battle but will never run from it. Individuals entering into society must give up a share of liberty to preserve the rest. Of failures are the ones who make excuses. A bad war is fought with a good mind. There is nothing so likely to produce peace as to be well prepared to meet the enemy. Be courteous to all, but intimate with few, and let those few be well tried before you give them your confidence. True friendship is a plant of slow growth and must undergo and withstand the shocks of adversity. Before it is entitled to appellation, it is better to be alone than in bad company. True friendship is a plant of slow growth and must undergo and withstand the shocks of adversity. But intimate with few, and let those few be well tried before you give them your confidence. But intimate with few, and let those few be well tried before you give them your confidence.